Here is a shockingly powerful 4-step process to raise your vibration instantly, so it becomes much, much easier to be a magnet to attract the things that you want into your life. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com, and let's dive right into raising your vibration instantly. Number 1, choose to be happy today. And you might say, yeah, well, that makes a lot of sense, or this is too simplistic, it makes you want to click out of the video. You would be amazed how much our energy every single day, we throw it away. Choose today to be happy no matter what. As Eric Thomas would say, choose that you want happiness, freedom, real freedom today, as bad as you want to breathe. You need to want happiness as bad as you want to breathe. You need to want freedom as bad as you want to breathe. Otherwise, you're just going to give it away. You're going to give it away when someone cuts you off today. You're going to give it away when you find out that you overdrafted on your bank account. You're going to give it away when that check doesn't come in or you get that extra bill. You're going to give it away when your friend or your coworker or your spouse or significant other is having a bad day and they have an attitude and you react and you snap back to it. You're going to give it away if it takes too long while you're waiting in line at Starbucks, or if you get a flat tire, if you run out of gas, or if you have a new car problem, or there's a problem with your sprinkler system at your house. You're gonna just give it away to the sprinklers. You're gonna give it away to that random guy in the car that's driving too fast and cut you off. You're gonna give it away to that person that maybe someone in their family passed away and you don't know that. All you know is they're really snappy at you from behind the counter where you're trying to pay for what you bought. You're gonna give it away. You have to choose happiness today. You have to make a conscious choice. In other words, you have to make an intention. What an intention is a choice with directed purpose, an actionable purpose behind it. You have to have the intention to be happy today. And what that means is you have to decide that getting upset is never going to solve your problems. You have to step off the roller coaster of human emotions. Most people bought the ticket and got on the ride to the human emotional roller coaster and they can't get off. They're addicted to nervous system stimulation. Whether that's drama or a quick frustration that feels very righteous. I just need to tell that person and they need to understand. And we're addicted to it on an unconscious level because it makes us feel alive. Even if it's a negative emotion, it makes us feel alive. Today, ask yourself this question. Is it worth losing my peace over? When you feel that anger boiling, that frustration boiling, that worry, that anxiety boiling, take a breath right now. In through your nose for 4 seconds. 1, in through your nose. 1, 2, 3, 4. Out through your mouth. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then ask yourself this question. Is this worth losing my peace over? And the answer is unequivocally no. Today, choose happiness at all costs. Number 2, be positive or be quiet. And when someone else complains, turn it into a positive. Make a choice with me right now. Make an intention with me right now. Don't just idly watch this, please. I love you. I appreciate you watching this. But pretend me and you are in wherever, what room or car, wherever you are. Pretend you and me are hanging out. And we say, look, let's make a choice together. You and me right now. Let's make a choice that we're not going to complain at all for 24 hours today. 0 complaints, even if they seem logical, even if it seems logical, even if it seems like a rational complaint. We are not going to complain about anything. And every time we catch ourselves or somebody else complaining, here's what you and I are going to do today. We're going to turn it into a positive. in Southern California, it's always sunny, and people don't seem to like the clouds very much in Southern California. And I can recall going to the grocery store during a period coming into the summer where there was a lot of clouds. And the woman behind the counter was, "Oh, I wish it was sunny," and oh. And I said, "Isn't it though kind of pretty? Like, look at the way that the sunlight shines. It kind of gives everything a different color, and it's nice too because if you go on a walk, you're not going to get sunburned. It's going to be a lot cooler. And besides, as soon as it hits July 1st, we're going to have sun till about December every single day." And she says, "Actually, you're probably right." Immediately just flip the switch. And today, whenever you notice yourself do that or somebody else go into the complaining mode, shift it into a positive. If you notice your own self is having those negative thoughts, download my free success hypnosis. It's jakeshypnosis.com right there down below. And then what you're gonna do is listen to it every day and train your subconscious mind so that you habitually only think of success, abundance, positivity, and it becomes an unconscious habit. Be positive or be quiet. Number 3, remind yourself that you're a spiritual being in a physical body. You are not of this world. You are grander and greater than any limitations, any challenges, any obstacles, any impediments to your biggest desires and destiny. You are greater than it. Remember this. Remind yourself that you are a spiritual being in a physical body, and one day this human experience will be all but gone. The life expectancy is approximately 72.5 years. That's not a lot of time. We have no time. You have no time to worry. You have no time to be angry. You have no time to not make today the most positive, amazing day you can. And when you make that decision and you make the conscious choice and you remind yourself, "Oh, I'm a spiritual being," you connect to your essence and it automatically raises your vibration instantly. It shifts you because you remember, oh, all those problems, oh, all those things I'm worrying about, oh, all those difficulties, oh, I'm much greater and grander than them. Oh, and by the way, this human experience won't last forever. I choose peace, I choose joy, and I know that I'm here to create love and freedom. That's what you're here to do. Guess what? You are here to create love and freedom in your own life and the lives of everyone you come in contact with. That's what you're here for, to create love and freedom. Not to reinforce pain in your own life, not to reinforce anger and frustration and tell people off. No. You aren't here to worry. You aren't here to be anxious. You're here to realize and live from the perfection of this universe. You're here to be guided by the power that creates worlds so you can live your ultimate destiny, so that you can create a life of love, joy, peace of mind, and freedom. Remember, you're a spiritual being in a physical body. And you are greater, grander, and more powerful than any obstacles you might be facing right now. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com. I hope this video raises your vibration instantly. Make the choice with me that you're going to decide to be happy at all costs. No matter what, you're going to want it as bad as you want to breathe, as Eric Thomas would say. And remind yourself this question. Is this worth losing my peace over? Comment that down below. Is this worth losing my peace over? Comment that down below to get it ingrained in your head for today. Is this worth losing my peace over? Be positive or be quiet today. Have a beautiful day. Make sure you download my free success hypnosis, jakeshypnosis.com, right there down below. And have a great day. Hit the subscribe button and the bell notification right over there in the corner. Make sure you like this video to support this channel. And check out the Second Mind Neuro Programmer. It's our software we designed to rewire the brain for you. Every time you have negative thought patterns, they wire into the chemistry of your brain, into your very neurocircuitry, and it makes it almost impossible to change. We created a software to do that change for you. You can demo it for free. It's thesecondmind.com right there down below. Have a beautiful day and choose happiness at all costs.